Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to create a multiple XY plot and keep it in a single plot. So to do this, I am going to use an example from a previous video. So here I have my pressure versus composition plot. The line that represents the Raoult's law. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this approximation with experimental data about the vapor-liquid equilibrium. So here I have already my data that I have imported from my Excel sheet to QTI. So here what I'm gonna do to show you how to do it is change the name of the table. So select, right click, properties, and then we can change. In this case we can just do Raoult law. Okay, then we can change again here, right click, properties. This is going to be the bubble point curve. And last one, dew point curve. So we are going to check that all is right. Here we can change the name of our column as I explained before in previous videos. So right click, column options, then we can write here. In this case, this is the dew point, so we can just write YE to make it shorter. And remember, we have to change this. We have to assign the right axis. In this case, it's x-axis. And okay, and same to the bubble point. We can just go ahead here, double click fast, change here to the X, Y to make it shorter, and again we have to assign the right axis. So okay, once we have done this, we are going to go to our plot. We are going to right click here, and we go to the option add and remove curve. So we're going to select the curves we want to add. We can select both at the same time by pressing Ctrl, and we have to be sure that we are selecting the right curve style, in this case line plus symbol. We are going to select here on the arrow, and okay. So now we have to resize here, so we can do something. So here is double click fast. We can do, for example, 0.2 to 0.45. Apply. Okay, and here we have our vapor liquid equilibrium. Now if we want to add legends to our plot to differentiate between, for example, bubble points, dew points, we go here to the option on the top, the option graph, and we go and do new legends. And here we can see, so we can just change, we can just do double click or right click properties, and then we can select. So we can just go ahead, remove here. In this case, this would be Raoult's law. This would be dew point curve, and this would be finally bubble point curve, and apply. And we can also change here. We want properties, right click properties, then we can also frame none. apply, close. We can remove this frame here if we want. And here is our final plot.